In this video, I will show you some tips for cooking fast and healthy meals. Offshan Farms Kitchen Presence. Planning ahead your meals for the week can help you save time and make healthier choices. You can prepare ingredients in advance and have a clear idea of what you'll be cooking each day. Focus on cooking with whole ingredients such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These ingredients are healthier and more nutritious than processed foods. Keep it simple. Simple recipes with few ingredients can be both fast and healthy. For example, grilled chicken breast with a side of steamed vegetables, or a salad with mixed greens, fruit, and nuts. Use quick cooking methods. Cooking methods such as stir-frying, grilling, and roasting are quick and healthy ways to cook your food. Leftovers can be a quick and healthy option for meals. You can reheat them in the microwave or on the stove and have a meal in minutes. Try one-pan or one-pot meals. One-pan or one-pot meals are a great way to make healthy and fast meals. You can cook everything in one pan or pot, saving time and reducing the number of dishes to clean. Thank you for watching.